Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chat and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. Last video I started fourth parts of speech, that is fourth one adjectives, and we started with it. There are broadly two types of adjectives, describing adjectives and determiners, and I taught few describing adjectives of quality. They are also called as, and different forms of adjectives of quality, that is size, color, material, origin, and then whatnot, shape. We discussed all those adjectives of quality, isn't it? So adjective is nothing but it's a describing word. It describes the character or quality of a noun or pronoun, isn't it? So the other forms of adjectives of qualities we'll discuss now. Let's start. Okay. Feelings and emotions. It even talks about other than the other five, like color, shape, uh, origin, other than that material and size. Other than that, what is the next one? It talks about even feelings and emotions. Like for each category, there are plenty of words. I am giving only few words. Okay, but there are plenty of words for each category. Okay, we have lots of adjectives: faithful, proud, happy, joyful, hungry, tired, horrible, moody, both feelings and emotions. Also, it talks about a dog is a faithful companion. Okay, it is a noun. Always observe faithful is an adjective. The parents are usually proud of their children's achievements. Proud of. Proud is also an adjective. Like she is hungry, he is tired, she is very moody. Okay, these are all adjectives of feelings and emotions. Jealous, also in this. Okay, selfish. Appearance. Appearance. Also, it describes the appearance. Whether she is beautiful, attractive, cheerful, dull, fair, energetic, all those are appearance. The red rose is very attractive. She is beautiful. She wore a beautiful dress, like that. So here attractive is an adjective. What does it describe? Which, yeah, red rose. Again, red is also, rose is noun, red is color. Okay, this is also an adjective. Red is also an adjective, and then rose is noun. Okay, so the red rose is very attractive. So attractive is an adjective of appearance. Personality. Okay, sincere, punctual, honest, regular, brave, clever, intelligent. It talks about even personality also, adjectives. All these adjectives, they talk about the personality. Okay, she made a sincere effort to improve her handwriting. Effort is noun, sincere again becomes an adjective. Sincere effort she made to improve something, to improve her handwriting or to do something to improve her marks or scores, percentage, whatever may be. But she made a sincere effort, and he is always punctual and regular to the class. So and so boy, the student is very punctual and regular to the classes. He never misses any class. Okay, he never misses even single class. He is very punctual and regular. In such cases, we use these adjectives. And age: young, old, new, ancient, modern, antique. So, adjectives of age. These are all adjectives of age. Sheila has two young and cute children. Both young, young is adjective of age. Another one, cute, is also there. So two adjectives. But here, young, it talks about the adjective of age. And then we studied ancient history, ancient Indian history in our school. Okay, and my father bought a new dress. In museum we just see plenty of antique pieces, isn't it? Plenty of antique pieces we just see in museum. So like this, you can use these are all these are adjectives of age. Next. So look at the next one. Sound. Loud, noisy, silent, calm, quiet. These are also adjectives. Adjectives of sound. We heard a loud noise. So this is noun. Noise is noun. Loud becomes an adjective. Then taste. Taste also. Delicious, salty, sweet, spicy, bitter, yummy. Those snacks are yummy. Okay. The cookies are delicious. Here the cookies noun and they are delicious. It talks about it is an adjective. So cookies noun, delicious adjective. Like it was so salty. The curry was so salty. My mother added too much of salt in that. I could not eat. I left it like that. So the curry was salty. In this way, you can use the adjectives. Then touch. Smooth, rough, sharp, tender, hard, loose, blunt. Okay, sharp and blunt also. So Lena's hair is very smooth. Okay, smooth surface. It has a smooth surface. See this board, it is very smooth. Okay, something or rough. This you look at this. This is rough. This part is smooth. So by touch also, touch adjectives of touch, or these are the adjectives of touch. So like this, we have all the different categories, different forms of adjectives of quality I have discussed now, isn't it? So even these are all talking about the positive things, isn't it? But even there are some negatives also. These are also adjectives only, but they talk about the negative qualities, negative characters or feelings, okay, or appearance, like that. Ugly, take beautiful. It is also an adjective. Ugly is also an adjective, like happy, sad, unhappy, honest. There, here dishonest. Regular is there. Irregular, lazy, isn't it? All this silly, rude, careful, careless also. It is also cunning, cruel, foolish, selfish. All these are negative adjectives. We call them as negative adjectives because they talk about all the negative qualities. Okay, but these are also adjectives, children. You remember that gloomy, boastful, harsh, stubborn, aggressive, arrogant, all these are adjectives. And silly, foolish, rude, stupid, all these are also adjectives, negative adjectives. Now we'll discuss participle adjectives. Okay, one more thing, participle adjectives. So these are participle adjectives. Participles, you came across these participle adjectives. Actually, when I taught, do you remember when I taught finite and non-finite verbs? There are three non-finite verbs: gerunds, participles, and infinitives, isn't it? That time I discussed the present role of present participle and past participle as adjectives. Once again, that's why I'm not giving the sentences, only the words I'm just giving here. Once again, you watch that video. Okay, finite and non-finite verbs. There, I explain what are present participle and past participle, how they are used as adjectives. Okay, actually, they are verbs but used as adjectives. Okay, so they are non-finite verbs. So, interesting story. Story is noun, interesting. Interest plus ing. So, interesting story. Developing country. India is a developing country. Country is noun, develop plus ing. Developing country. She heard a shocking news. News noun. It is noun and shocking, shock plus ing. So these are all adjectives, isn't it? So present participles used as adjectives. Okay, shocking news. Barking dogs seldom bite. She heard a shocking news. So here these are all nouns. Okay. Swimming pool. She practiced swimming in a swimming pool. Pool is noun, swimming here it is adjective. Okay, so those though they are present participles, they are used as adjectives. Similarly, past participles means V3 forms, but they are V3 forms used as adjectives. Okay, a written test. Write, wrote, written test. And like this spoken English, speak, spoke, spoken, spoken. So this written is an adjective, text is noun, written is an adjective. Like that, similarly, spoken English is noun, spoken, speak, spoke, spoken. V3 past participle, again adjective. Then developed country. US is a developed country. America is a developed country means country is noun, developed, developed. V3. Okay. Experienced doctor. She's an experienced doctor. Experienced. Doctor is noun. Experienced becomes an adjective. So past participles used as adjectives. Talented kid. Kid now, but talented kid. She's a very talented kid. Or gifted child, we use. Gifted also V3. So those are past participles. That's why we call them as participle adjectives. Means present participles and past participles used as adjectives followed by nouns. Okay. So this is another adjective, one type of adjective. And then before winding up the session, I just want to give a funny activity for you. Okay. Just look at these birds. Like you take any name. Okay. Take one name. Starting letter you take. What's the starting letter of this name? A. Then what you have to do? This is proper noun. You all know this is a noun. So you have to add an adjective for this. Starting with A letter only. That is an activity. Okay. So you add one suitable adjective for this, but starting with letter A. Suppose I can say attractive Anita. Like that, you can use your names, your friends' names, your classmates, cousins, somebody's names you take and write one adjective for before that, but first letter of the name and should match with the first letter of an adjective. Don't you find it's an interesting one and funny one? Yeah. Just to play it so that you can learn number of adjectives at once. Even the teachers also can use this as an activity in the classroom, like while roll call at the time of roll call or taking attendance at that time also teachers can use this as a at that time they can use this. So once they call like roll number 1, 2, isn't it? So they can call like attractive or active Anita, bold Bhargav, isn't it? Smart Sunita, like that. Teachers also can use while roll call at the time of attendance. Teachers also can use, and students also can use this and just play with your friends and all, and then use that. Take one name, then first letter of the name must match with the first letter of the adjective, so that easily you can learn plenty of adjectives in a easy way. Okay, do this and practice this, and then yeah, I'll wind up the session, and in the next session I will come back with the adjectives again, but we'll do determiners. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.